Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast. My name is Olivia. I am very happy you are here with me today. This podcast is for English learners, so please relax, sit comfortably, take a slow breath. You do not need to understand every word, just listen slowly. Learning happens step by step. Today, let's talk about food. Food is a very important part of our life. We eat food every day. We need food to live. But food is more than energy. Food brings comfort. Food brings joy. Food brings people together. When people talk about food, they often smile because food is connected to memory and feeling. Let us begin with why food is important. Food gives us strength. Food helps our body grow. Food helps our mind work better. Without food, we feel weak. Without food, we feel tired. Good food helps us feel active. But food is not only for the body. Food is also for the heart. Now let us talk about food and daily life. Every day, people eat meals. Breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, dinner at night. These meals give structure to our day. They give us moments to pause. Even a simple meal can feel special when we eat calmly. Now let us talk about home food. Home food is very special. Food cooked at home feels warm. It feels safe. It feels familiar. Many people remember food from childhood. Food cooked by parents. Food cooked with love. Even simple food tastes better at home because it is made with care. Home food connects us to our roots. Now let us talk about food and family. Food brings family together. Families sit together to eat. They talk. They share their day. Meals are moments of connection. In busy life, people may not talk much, but during meals, people slow down. Family meals build strong bonds. Now let us talk about food and culture. Every culture has its own food. Every country has special dishes. Food shows tradition. Food shows history. When people eat traditional food, they feel close to their culture. Food keeps culture alive. Now let us talk about food and memories. Food is connected to memory. A smell can remind us of childhood. A taste can remind us of home. Even after many years, people remember food from special days, festivals, celebrations, family gatherings. Food becomes part of our story. Now let us talk about street food. Street food is popular in many places. People enjoy eating outside. They enjoy different flavors. Street food feels lively. It feels social. People stand, they talk, they eat together. Street food brings energy to cities. Now let us talk about food and health. Healthy food is important. Fruits, vegetables, grains, water. Healthy food helps the body stay strong, but healthy eating does not mean strict rules. It means balance. Eating slowly helps digestion. Eating calmly helps the mind. Listening to the body is important. Now let us talk about food and emotions. People eat when they are happy. People eat when they are sad. Food gives comfort. A warm meal can calm the heart. A sweet taste can bring joy. This is normal. Food is emotional, but balance is important. We should respect our body. Now let us talk about food and sharing. Sharing food is a beautiful act. When we share food, we share care. In many cultures, guests are welcomed with food. Sharing food creates trust. Sharing food builds friendship. Food teaches generosity. Now let us talk about food and celebration. Celebrations are not complete without food. Birthdays, festivals, special days. Special food makes moments memorable. People cook together. They eat together. They celebrate together. Food adds joy to life. Now let us talk about simple food. Food does not need to be expensive. Food does not need to be fancy. Simple food can be very satisfying. Rice, bread, vegetables, soup. Simple food brings peace. Simple meals remind us that happiness can be small. Now let us talk about food and gratitude. Food teaches gratitude. Not everyone has enough food, so we should respect food. Eating slowly helps us feel thankful. Not wasting food shows respect. Gratitude makes meals meaningful. Now let us talk about food and relaxing. Eating calmly is important. No rush, no stress. When we eat slowly, we enjoy more. Food becomes a moment of rest. Now let us pause for a moment. Take a deep breath. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out gently. Imagine your favorite food. Think about the smell. Think about the taste. Feel that comfort. That feeling is why food is special. Before we finish, remember this. Food is not just fuel. Food is connection. Food is culture. Food is memory. Enjoy your meals. Eat calmly. Share with others. Thank you for spending this time with me. Take care of your body. Take care of your heart. I will see you in the next episode.